there it is, guys. Custom built one-of-one AW exhaust system.
We got the decibel reader. We're gonna see which one is louder. AWE. AWE, shout out to them, man. They're doing a good exhaust.
Oh, it's popping.
Who else doing it like the hypey boys, man? We crazy. Go out, go out. Yeah, you gotta get the whole. Go out.
All right, guys, I'm driving in the rain on some slick radials, drag radials. Well, I don't know if they're like full-on drag radials, but they are definitely not the best tires to drive in the rain. Shout out to Gordo over at ATW Tires and Wheels, you know. This is actually the first day Callie and I are back-to-back in Charger Hellcats. Let me slow down and see if he can pull up next to me. He can't see me though, I'll tell you that much. I'm just gonna slow down a little bit. Slow down, look. There he is. Okay, I'm over here. So we're headed down to...
Use the left 3 lanes to continue onto I-5 South toward Los Angeles.
Headed down to, what's that place called? Mine's not working, boys. MPE, we're heading to MPE. I got a full exhaust from AWE that they're putting in, and
continue.
I am also looking at comparing it against Callie's exhaust, and then we're gonna
for 24
maybe
miles
straight pipe
continue
this.
straight.
So we'll see what it looks like. I gotta focus up because it's raining and it doesn't feel great. I'm driving an Eco, so hope we make it down there safe. And I still have a check engine light on too. That'll get fixed next week.
So I want this louder though.
More?
Well, so I'm thinking like, should we straight pipe it?
Well, you put a straight pipe, maybe too much groaning inside.
Oh yeah. Cause I mean, when we did the cutouts,
It is to do vibration inside.
right? Yeah. I mean, but it was like, I don't know. I had a Challenger. We had the track house. We just straight piped it, and those
What's up,
was
bro?
perfect. Yeah.
Okay, I think on this one, what we can do to make it sound more healthy, aggressive, we're gonna remove the X pipe and replace it with H pipe. H pipe is gonna make it growl more. Yeah, it's gonna be the same kind of sound, but more aggressive, and then no drone in the inside.
Oh yeah. Let's set it off. What's up with the guys? We're over at Team MPE, and today we gonna get a new exhaust system. I know, I got an exhaust system already, but it don't sound how I want it to sound, so we gotta do some cutting and chopping. So before we do that, I'm gonna show you how each mode sound. We're gonna have Echo, Auto, Sport, and Track. You ready? Let's go. So this is Echo. This is Auto. This is Sport. And this is Track.
So today, guys, we're putting an AWE exhaust in my Hellcat Jailbreak, and we're doing it over here at MPE. So before we get that, I'm gonna run my car through all the modes, and this is a stock Jailbreak exhaust. So we're gonna do Eco, Sport, and Track. So check it out and see what it sounds like. You like that startup? That startup was lit, dude. All right, guys, this is Eco. This is Sport. And this is Track. There it is, guys. Custom built one of one AWE exhaust system. Yeah.
You know they sell. And you get a lollipop too.
It comes with.
Oh, the lollipop.
Yep.
Comes with
AW was telling us about the lollipop, that their biggest complaints with people is when they don't get the lollipop in there, bro.
Is that right?
Yeah, so
Why'd they start putting the lollipop in there?
I don't know, dude. It's just
That's a.
Watermelon.
It's watermelon.
I love them. I love. Everybody laughed. Looked at me.
Look at those tips though
You're
too.
racist, man.
Oh man. Wow, that's super sweet. Thank you, AWE. That's amazing.
H pipe.
Oh, hey.
H pipe.
So
Maybe
my little H mine too.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
we
yeah.
get-
So it's pretty accurate.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a straight shot, Rick.
How's it going? Good, and you? Nice seeing you. Oh, you're gonna eat it? You can copy this guy.
We can meet them.
Yo. I put it on my life. These are the best supplements in the world. Go to hypelife.com. Get yours today.
delete the valves, but that one is for no chicken engine line when you take it out the valve. See? Slack inside.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. Do it again. That is loud, man.
Yeah.
That's kind of
Crazy
it's louder
loud.
than what I expected when
Wow.
you first started up. To be honest, like seriously, like I was like
Wow.
that was kind of cracking pretty hard. So we'll see like what it sounds like when we got the load on it. But I'm excited for that thing. That thing is pretty sick.
Hypey Whitey about to eat his blow pop.
All right, hey.
That A&E gave me.
AWE gave me this blow pop, man.
Well, you go suck on it,
Oh,
huh?
it's been sitting in the warehouse
They
for a
gonna
while.
say you sus, boy.
I'm sus.
Yeah, we ain't gonna even. We gonna get you almost about to suck it.
Dude, it's been in the warehouse a while, bro.
About to eat his blow pop. Oh God! Don't do it! No!
because he's telling me there's not gonna be a lot of difference, that the muffler's already pretty hollowed out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
just
better
H.
try right now with the H.
Yeah.
He'll do like a H pipe. He'll run it all the way over here, take the valves off and relocate them. You don't get the check engine light, but make it 3-inch all the way through from there to like here.
Oh, but it wouldn't be active.
No.
Kind of want to keep it active. Yeah, the 3, huh? Because these what 2?
2 and something.
Yeah.
Once we set,
Need
2 and
that
3/4.
3.
Yeah, I don't know. Because I'm telling you, that one, his is,
Wow.
So mine's 3-inch.
yours is full 3-inch.
Let's do it. Let's do it how you said. Yeah.
Hágalo como usted no quiera.
When I start my car, I want that loud anyway.
Yeah, loud.
You know what
That's
I'm saying?
why I was like, oh crap.
Yeah, I don't want it muffled when I cut on my car because it automatically go to auto
Right.
when we start our.
And it sounds muffled.
Wow.
That's why I was kind of blown
So
away.
the GT500 give you the option.
Oh.
You can have it quiet or open on whatever mode you want when you start it.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
That's why it comes on so aggressive.
Right, yeah. Or non-aggressive. You can have it quiet.
All right.
So what's up, guys? So as you guys know, I got the CORSA system on here, and it's just not enough. CORSA, you need bigger pipes. So you need to get away from those 2 inches, and we need to go to 3 inches. So we putting 3-inch pipes on here to make it louder, and we got to H-pipe it. It was an X-pipe. CORSA, stop X-piping it. H-pipe it with bigger pipes, okay? Please. I spent all my money. All right, I want to hear the best. I don't want AWE and Borla outdoing me. You hear me? All right, so that's what we doing on this. Let's get it.
Oh yeah, look at him.
They don't know what he's doing.
You got there, dude.
Oh man, I got to put back on my refrigerator.
Refrigerator?
They said when I did my air intake the last time that I thought was a cold air intake, that it was a hot air intake.
Okay.
So now I got to put back on the stock refrigerator part of it.
Oh.
Okay.
It keeps it cold?
Yeah, I got to keep it cold, man.
Okay.
So even though all the air comes in the same place, when the plastic piece is on it, it's the refrigerator and it keeps it cold.
Okay.
So I got to put that back on, you know? I don't want to, I don't want people to hate me because of my car because it has a hot air intake.
Okay.
So I'm putting back on the cold air.
All right.
All right. So remember, this was the old stock when it was dirty and all. So we got that one over there, and we just gonna put the plastic. Wait, do it fit? Oh yeah, it fit, huh?
Yeah. Okay, Kali is done.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Now the internet won't hate me no more. I put back on my refrigerator so it could be a cold air intake. What's up with it, guys? So over here we got the decibel reader. We're gonna see which one is louder, AWE or the CORSA modded. We had to modify the CORSA because the regular way wasn't the loudest way. All right, so they put 3-inch pipes and H'd it. Instead of X pipe, it's H pipe with 3-inch. Ooh, I'm learning car. Boy, I'm becoming a real specialist, car specialist, because they say I don't know nothing about cars. All I know how to do is buy them. And to me, that's good enough, but that's what I got my friends here at Team MPE to teach me the rest. So let's get to it. That's loud, baby. Let's see what other shops can do louder. They're gonna be the new hot now.
So this exhaust sounds crazy. He's behind me. Kelly behind me. Oh man, that sounds sound monstrous now. Like, this is how a Hellcat's supposed to sound. Yeah, this is how a Hellcat. And not only sound, but feel. It feels way better. Like it's got that. Oh yeah, it's got that grumbling underneath it, you know. So yeah, your Hellcat ain't right till you get the right exhaust on it, for sure. It's just not the same. A lot more fun to drive. Damn.
Hey, we need you to be strong. We need you to have a strong libido. We need you to go get this hypey test at hypelife.com. Sound crazy, bro. Sound crazy. Just coming from getting the exhaust sound, both of them crazy. AWE, shout out to them, man. They doing a good exhaust. It's loud. Boy, I think I might. Hey, AWE, I think I want that track pack they got. Put it in track. Let's see how that sounds. Right.
Onto I-5, Sacramento.
Oh, it's popping. Wow, it's popping.
Exit left.
We just came from driving that jailbreak, man. MPE did great, man. But I'm curious now of seeing that AWE track one.
Yeah.
If that's touring you got, that track one must be bananas. Because that's bananas. Shout out to AWE, man. There was a sleeper. Everybody's so hooked on CORSA, Borla, Flowmaster. That AWE, I heard of them, mention of them, but we just never, experienced what they had to offer, man. And in my book, they the top dogs, man. You know what I mean? Borla, it's hard to say with Borla because the GT500 already sound good stock. You know what I mean? So it's hard to differentiate. But with the jailbreaks, the Hellcats, it was like, you can tell, enormous difference. The stock is just crappy. Then when we put that on, it just took it to a whole nother world, man. One of the best sounds ever. So you want to bless all your food. Thank you, every day. Watch on me, watch over my family. Amen. You know what I mean? You can't really tell the demons your blessings. You know, I be knowing demons be watching. You know what I mean? So you got to kind of disguise your prayer into a different language. So we got carrots here, cucumbers, spinach, cabbage, beans, avocado, honey Dijon, and spinach. Oh, did we? Oh, I didn't tell them all spinach.
That's green apple. That ain't cucumber, homie.
Wait, that's apple.
It's all good. It's all good. See, I'll just say, I'm here for you.
Oh, that's some good apple too. I forgot I didn't tell them this spinach.
There's so many modifications. It's just, you know.
We need to be like Kali Muscle Special.
Yeah, that's right. Talk to
Hyphy
the
Boy
owner.
Special.
Yeah, talk to the owner.
That's what we need, the Hyphy Boy Special.
Yeah, but this salad's legit.
Yeah, this salad is
That's how you do it.
very fulfilling. Those mukbangs I post, that ain't me.
Yeah.
Send me a message on Instagram.
That ain't me. That's an imposter. So Hyphy Whitey, how you like your car exhaust, man?
It's amazing. It's amazing. AWE definitely does their thing. I didn't know. I didn't think that AWE was gonna be killing it like that, but the thing's amazing. If you don't have your exhaust done, like in a Hellcat or something, you have to get it done. That stock don't work,
Exactly.
man.
That stock is man.
And it pops too.
Well, yeah.
Like it's got those popping noises, so
And it's probably go get more intense as you break it in.
probably.
Uh-huh.
It's sick, guys. It's honestly sick. I feel like my Hellcat's like, but I'm already thinking about a new wrap and some wheels now. So, you know, just something else to do.
Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Shout out to Team MPE for, you know what I mean, working with us and, you know, handling business like we want to be handled. Because, you know, as content creators, we fast, man. We don't have time to wait months, weeks on people. We got to get stuff done, man. So we're going to be doing a lot of POV, as you'll see in this video. A lot of car content, man. That's what y'all love. That's what we're going to show you. Make sure you go over to hyphylife.com, get you some supplements, get you some merchandise. Hyphy game, man. We now, everybody that's viewing, watching, we Hyphy game. We're going to be doing a lot of raffles, giveaways, giving away money, doing a lot of fun stuff this year, man, because, hey, we want to show y'all our appreciation as well, man. So stay tuned in. Make sure you, hey, follow us on social media, Instagram, Twitter. I ain't going to say TikTok, but you can if you want to on TikTok. But follow us on Facebook, too. We do 4 videos minimum a day on Facebook, man. So make sure you go over there, hit the link, and we love y'all, man. Stay pushing forward, stay eating healthy, stay fit, don't destroy your body, stay happy. We love y'all, man. We out.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Kali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.